Hey, looking for a VPN with a dedicated IP address? I know, it's not easy to find one, and the setup can be confusing. But don't worry, we'll figure it out together. Before we start, check the description below for a special NordVPN discount link to save on your VPN subscription. Let's dive in. Why you need a dedicated IP? A dedicated IP makes your internet connection more reliable and accessible. It's great for streaming, gaming, or accessing work networks securely. But not many VPN providers offer it as a feature. After testing many options, I found NordVPN's dedicated IP service to be the best. Now, I'll show you how to get set up and why it's my top pick. Getting started. If you don't have a NordVPN account yet, setting up is easy. Just click the special NordVPN link in the description, it applies an exclusive discount automatically. Choose your VPN plan, then add the dedicated IP address option to your order. Once you complete your payment, you will get an email with a link to pick your dedicated IP VPN server location. You can choose from 5 countries: US, UK, Germany, Netherlands or France. That IP address will belong only to you. For existing NordVPN users, already have NordVPN? No problem, but there are a few extra steps. Create a temporary account using the discount link, pick any plan and enter the special code NordDedicatedIP to update pricing. Then contact customer support via live chat. They respond quickly. Ask them to merge your accounts, provide your details and you're all set. Using your dedicated IP in the app. Open the NordVPN app and go to Settings. Choose the VPN protocol. OpenVPN UDP is usually faster, so I recommend that. Note, NordLink's NordVPN's fastest protocol currently doesn't support dedicated IPs. But speeds stay strong because you're the only user on your dedicated IP server. To switch back to regular servers, just toggle NordLink's back on. Find your dedicated IP under Specialty Servers, click the 3 dots, pick your server and connect easy. I tested many VPNs with dedicated IPs, and NordVPN stands out for its balance of security, speed and price. It has a strict no-logs policy, audited by third parties, uses RAM-based servers that don't store data, and it's based in Panama, a privacy-friendly jurisdiction. Plus, it has important features like a kill switch and apps for all major platforms. Compared to others like PureVPN and Ivacy, NordVPN offers better speeds, a cleaner VPN interface and more reliable performance. A few things to know. A couple of small downsides. Apple apps still don't support split tunneling, but this is common across many VPNs. Setting up NordVPN on a router can be a bit tricky, but their customer service and tutorials make it manageable. Conclusion. Other VPNs with dedicated IPs hardly match NordVPN's performance and reliability. If you want the best deal, click the card on screen or the link in the description below. Share your experience or questions about dedicated IPs in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.